What's up? I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5, and I'm not a marketer, so I'm not going to do a bunch of marketing stuff, but I think we can all agree that we actually all need more leads in our business. Now, many of us are serving businesses, and that's who we serve. Now, this is really valuable if you guys are already using Go High Level, or specifically if you guys have white labeled Go High Level as an agency and you're providing services to business. So I'm going to show you how you can literally get unlimited business leads, verified business leads, and actually get them right into your Go High Level account, and then start your automated outreach campaign for them, whether you're going to be offering them professional services or you're even just going to be trying to get them into your Go High Level account and get them set up with your software. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you the different options that you have, whether you just want to get access to the software that I'm going to actually be showing you and get access to a Go High Level account, or whether you want to be able to offer this to your customers, or whether you want to actually white label it under your own brand so that you can actually have another white labeled software that you can add in with your Go High Level account to provide extra value. So again, like I said, I'm not a marketer, so I'm not going to tell you an epiphany bridge story or a backstory of me, other than I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5. I run a software development company, and when we were selling software engineering services, this is one of the main ways that I would find new software companies to sell our software engineering services. So I'm going to show you right now exactly how you do this. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into the automation tab here of Go High Level, and you're going to create a new workflow, and then you can just start from scratch. That's fine. And then the next thing that you're going to do, your trigger, your workflow trigger is going to be an inbound webhook. So now you have this inbound webhook right here. You're going to copy this, and then basically what you're going to do is you're going to just run a search for your ideal business that you serve and the location that you want to find leads from. So for example, I already have a couple people in this program, and they serve pizza companies, and basically what they do is they sell VIP services. They basically set up text message marketing and a VIP discount loyalty program for the pizza companies, and then they focus on actually driving more traffic, sending out offers, doing their SMS marketing, and following up with everybody to get more 5-star reviews for the pizza places. So we're just actually going to use pizza places here as an example. You could be using dentists, you could be using lawyers, you could be using restaurants, you could be using massage therapy parlors, tanning salons, hair salons, any type of local business you could actually be targeting, and we might target a couple of them here. All right, so all you're going to do is you're going to do your search for the type of business that you're actually targeting, and whatever location you actually want to target them in, you'll find better results whenever you run location specific campaigns. So you're going to make that search, and once you make that search, you're going to see that you get all these places right here from Google Places. So you're literally going to see Google's going to pop up this thing that says places, and it's going to show you the different places. These again are verified businesses that have actually taken the time to go verify their business and list their business with Google. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this more places. Now once you click this more places, thanks to the software, you're going to see this little thing that pops up that says get your leads now. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this software, which is the software that I'm offering here. It's called Unlimited Business Leads. You're going to get this software, and then what you're going to do, you can download as CSV, but what we're going to do to actually get these leads directly into our Go High Level account is we're going to send data to a webhook, and then basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this webhook that we got from Go High Level whenever we're creating our automation. We're going to take that webhook, and then we're going to actually just pop that right in here where it says send data to webhook, and then we're going to hit confirm, and we're going to let it get 1 lead for us or 2 leads for us, and then we're going to hit stop, and then we'll come right back over here to Go High Level and we'll see those 2 leads that we just actually got. We'll see those right here inside our Go High Level account. All right, so now we can see these right here inside our Go High Level account. And then we're going to save that trigger. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create and update a contact. All right, so now we're going to actually add a field. We're going to add the business name, and we're going to select that from the name that we're getting from the data that we just got from Google. We're going to add another field, and we may add email here, and we're going to go in and we're going to find the email 1. We're going to add another field, and here we may add first name, and we're going to go in and add from here, not email, we're going to go in and add first name 1. We're going to add another field. We're going to go in and essentially add last name. We're going to add this last name from here, this last name 1. We're going to add another field. Here we're probably going to add a phone number, and we're going to search, and we're going to actually look for a phone number. And then if there's more additional fields that you want to add, so if you want to add more fields, you can add more fields. If you have custom fields, for example, if you want to add the number of 5-star reviews, you'll see that that's actually, if you want to add their state, we can actually add their state. There's their state. If you want to add their city, we can add their city. All right, I don't know what other fields that we have here, but we have their country, so we can actually add their country. Don't actually have their country, so no big deal. Trying to see what other fields we may actually want to add here. Street address, we could add their street address. All right, and then if you have a custom field like number of reviews, you'll see that one of these options, and the reason that you'll do that is because you can actually filter out and you can start your campaign and send your campaign if you're specifically, I know many of you guys, part of what you're doing with your Go High Level accounts is you're focusing on the reputation management and getting more 5-star reviews for the actual business. So you could use this as a custom field, and then you could use that in your outreach. Now in this video, again, I'm not a marketer, so I'm not doing any of this marketing stuff. I'm actually doing completely opposite of what all the marketers train you and teach you to do. That I'm supposed to tell you some emotional story. I'm supposed to tell you some epiphany. I'm not supposed to teach you anything. I'm not actually supposed to show you anything. And I for sure am not supposed to just give you a demo and show you how something works. Because that doesn't get you to want to buy. But I'm not a marketer, so I'm not actually doing any of that. I'm just going to show you exactly what to do. But again, I'm not going to get into, here's a website, so let's add their website in here. I'm not going to get into how to structure your outreach campaign, all right? What messaging should you actually use in your outreach campaign? I'm not going to get any of that. Hopefully you probably already know how to do that. You already know how to set up your messaging and actually do your messaging, because many of you guys, I know that you're actually doing this manually, and this will completely automate the process for you. All right, so here what we've done is we've set up our inbound webhook. That was really easy. We've just actually copied that inbound webhook and we've put it into the Unlimited Business Lead software. We've just grabbed a couple leads just so it would actually send the data to the webhook, so that then we could actually create the contact. And now we're creating a contact with the business name, their email, their first name, their last name, the phone number, their state, their city, their street address, their website. And like I said, again, if you have custom fields, for let's say number of reviews that they have, you could go in and actually put in here the number of reviews that they have, and you could use that as a custom field in your outreach to be telling them, you know, hey, I see that you have this many reviews, how would you like to double that or something like that, all right? So we're just going to delete that last field like that, and we're going to save this action. We're going to call this, I'm going to call it UBL demo, because I'm demoing unlimited business leads to you, all right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to publish this, and then we're going to hit save, all right? So now again, if you wanted to, right after this, you could send an SMS if you want to, and you could just say, you know, hey, is this, and then you could do some business name. Where is that business name at? Well, I don't know where that business name is. Oh, company name right there. So you could do something like this. hey, is this business name? And then you could essentially just save that action. So now we're going to get the data, we're going to create a contact, and we're going to send them out an SMS. Start our initial outreach campaign. All we're really wanting to do in this initial outreach campaign is get them to continue the conversation and basically reply with a yes and say, yes it is, how can I help you? All right, so now that we actually have this saved, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and just look at our contacts, just so you can see the last contacts in here. It's actually some lawyers, because I was doing a demo beforehand, so I'm going to actually delete those. I'm going to go ahead and actually delete those lawyers. All right, actually this is some more lawyers. Let me go ahead and delete all these lawyers here real quick, and then I'll show you how easy this is. All right, so now we're going to see how easy. Now we're going to see how easy this is. Now we're just going to actually change the location to New York, because everybody knows between New York and Chicago, they have the best pizza. All right, so between New York and Chicago, they have the best pizza. So now we've actually targeted New York, and all we're going to do is we're going to click on this, and then we're just going to click this thing that says send data to webhook. Now this is pre-populated with the webhook that we just made in Go High Level, and we're going to hit confirm, and then we're going to let the software do its job, and it's going to actually now be collecting leads for us. So it's going to go off and actually do its job and start collecting leads for us. And you can see here that these leads are actually now coming in directly into our Go High Level account, and we're actually getting new leads just populate directly into our Go High Level account. We can see over here how many leads are actually being collected, and you can see, hey, here are these leads actually just populating directly into our Go High Level account. Now, not all of them are going to actually have an email, unfortunately, because that information isn't public. You won't find that on a Google listing, but they all will have a phone number that you can essentially call or text. All right. Not all of them will have an email. The ones that have an email, we will give you access to their email, and you'll see these leads will just actually continue to come in. You can see we've already collected 22 of them over here. So if you look, you'll see we've already collected 22 leads, 23 leads over here, and the software is just going to continue to work. The software is just going to actually continue to work and collect all these leads until we actually run out of leads. And you can see here are all those leads that are just getting directly input right into the platform. Okay, so you can see, hey, these leads are coming directly into the platform. They're coming directly into the platform, and we're actually filling up our list of leads. And again, like I said, you may not get email addresses on every single one of them, but I think everybody would actually agree that getting 10 leads versus 0 leads is obviously better to actually get the 10 leads. So now you can see it's just super easy. And again, you can change whatever niche that you want and whatever location that you want. You can change them. We've already collected 44 leads. Now we've already collected 45 leads. Now we can go work out. We can go spend time with our kids. We can go walk our dogs. We can make love to our wife. We can do whatever it is that we want to do. And while that's happening, our outbound outreach is going to be happening automatically. We've targeted our specific niche that we want. We've targeted the specific location that we actually want. And then and you can see it took us just a few minutes to set up. It didn't take us more than 5 minutes to actually set up. And now we're getting all these new leads just inside of our platform. And whatever the rest of your sales process is, if you're actually using the sales pipelines, you could, obviously go in and you could change your automation to fully fit whatever it is that your outreach process is and whatever your actual sales process is. So this is a very simple way and a very simple tool for you to go in and get unlimited business leads. Now remember, these are leads that have taken the time. These are businesses that have taken the time to go in and actually verify themselves with Google. All right, so now you can see how easy this process is, and I'm sure you can actually see the value in it. If you don't see the value in it, then this is definitely not for you. If you do see the value in it and you're like, oh my God, this is amazing, I need this. If you look down below, we'll have 3 different offers for you. Your 3 different offers are going to be offer 1, you can just get the software with the Go High Level account. So what you'll get access to is you'll get access to the unlimited business lead software, and you'll get access to a full Go High Level account if you don't have one already, so that you could carry out this direct process yourself. All right, so that's offer 1. You'll get access to unlimited business leads, and you'll get access to a full Go High Level account where you can start this process. Offer number 2, you're going to get access to unlimited business leads as a reseller partner, which means not only will you get an account, but you'll have unlimited licenses that you can easily issue to your customers, so you can give your customers access to this software, and you'll also get a Go High Level account. All right, so offer number 2 is you will get access to unlimited business leads. You will get unlimited accounts on unlimited business leads that you can sell to your customers. You can give access to your customers so that they can actually use this software, and they could go in and actually get leads for themselves and have an account on the software and not have to buy it from me. They can buy it from you, and you collect the money and you keep 100% of it, and then we'll also give you a Go High Level account. Offer number 3, you can actually white label this software completely as your own, put your brand, and this is a great offer if you're already white labeling Go High Level, because it gives you another very powerful, very useful software that you can also offer under your brand to all of your subscribers in your white label white label version of Go High Level. All right, so just again to recap, offer 1, you'll get access to this software, and you'll see everything down below where you can take offer 1, you can take offer 2, or you can take offer 3, whichever makes more sense to you. If none of them make sense to you, then again, this probably isn't for you. But offer 1 is you're going to get access to this software, unlimited business leads, so that you can get unlimited leads, and you're going to get access to a Go High Level account and our Go High Level white label, so that you can carry out the exact same process that I've actually showed you here, where you just basically run the software, dump all the leads directly into Go High Level. You can see all of these leads that are actually coming into Go High Level. Right here, you can start your out. You can see, look, I've already got responses from this. So you can look, I've already got responses from these leads, sending out these campaigns. So you can see that it does actually work. I've already got instant responses from some of these leads that are coming in automatically. So again, offer number 1, you're going to get access to the unlimited business lead software so that you can use it, and you're going to get full access to a Go High Level account, so you can literally replicate exactly what I've showed you here right now, and you can get unlimited leads in your niche and your location, and start your automated outreach campaigns, add them to your sales pipelines, and get new customers. All right, offer number 2, you're going to get access to unlimited business leads as a partner, which means you will get unlimited licenses of this software that you can license out to your customers, whether you want to give it to them for free, whether you want to use it as an order bump or an upsell or a front end product. That's completely up to you what you do with those licenses, but you will get unlimited licenses that you can license out to your customers, and you'll get a full Go High Level account. Option number 3 is you are able to actually white label this software as your own, with your logo, your brand. And again, like I said, if you are already white labeling Go High Level, this is an amazing offer for you, because it gives you another very useful software that you can see goes hand in hand with what you're offering already. that you can put under your brand, and you can either bundle up with your Go High Level account, you can give as a lead magnet to then sell Go High Level, you can add as an order bump whenever people buy Go High Level, you can use it as an upsell whenever people sign up for your Go High Level white label. What you do with your white label, that is completely up to you, but it's going to be completely under your brand. All right. So again, I've tried not to do any of the stuff that the marketers have told me to do, like tell you some backstory about how my dad used to beat me up my entire life. I've tried not to tell you some epiphany bridge of whatever, and I just literally showed you exactly the power of this combination and what you could actually be doing. So if you're interested, just go ahead and pick what you're interested in below and sign up, and you'll get instant access to everything.